Want to know how to complete story missions with minimum stamina? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, if you want to clear your story missions without wasting stamina, you need to start by checking the recommended level and type advantage for each stage. Use leaders that boost KI and attack for required category. This reduces the numbers of retires. Some stages drop training items or medals as secondary rewards, so focus on those runs for efficiency. Hidden potential and links can help clear difficult enemies in one rotation. You can also use support items strategically, like senzu beans, only when necessary to avoid failures. By planning team composition and using type advantages, you can finish story missions fast while spending the last stamina, giving you more energy for other events. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.